Hello everyone, I'm back at Dollar Tree again. I am here for a couple things and hoping I find them. I wanted to add a couple little more items to my giveaway after you guys had talked about stuff. So I'll take you down through the store and see if there's anything new or that stands out. It looks like the wood die cuts or wood cutouts are selling pretty quickly. Like, I think this is the last of the bunnies. There's some chicks and eggs, but yeah, the last one of the bunny, or two.
Okay, let's get some shamrock for different things. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, here, honey. Come from.
So I wasn't here maybe like 3 days ago, and all the llama, turtle, foxes, all those little pot holders are completely sold out. I'm looking for some flowers. I want to do a cute little Easter DIY, but it has to be a specific white. I think I'd like to use that type of flower, but yeah, I'm thinking like more white, so I'll have to take a look at my stash because nothing is speaking to me here today. These sold out really fast. I'm not sure what the quality is of the little chapsticks, or lip balms, but they're definitely long gone. Look at this, the fairy stuff still kind of sitting nicely. I guess once people start feeling more spring in the air and working on their fairy gardens. Oh, these are cute. Hula hoops are back. They have some fun fortune pens. These little tins are definitely a nostalgic thing for me. I absolutely love metal tins for holding my pens. I don't know why, but I think it's a childhood thing. And these ones are just so darn cute. A little hack for some of you who are more frugal. If you find that some of your products in your home come out really quickly, these bottles are great for controlling that. So, for example, shampoo or conditioner. There's no pizza pans. I guess they're a hot item here too. I don't see any. But yeah, if like you want to control your conditioner or shampoo from coming out really quickly, those squirt bottles are fantastic. I'm just going to go through the books here and see if there's anything interesting. Oh my goodness, I'm having way too much fun in the store today. It's like reminding me of it, my childhood. Miss Piggy and Gonzo. How freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Too bad my birthday passed. Otherwise, I would have put that on my cake. I'm still searching for this oil or olive oil infused with herbs, but I don't know where they are in my stores. I know some of you have been finding it out west. I love the cherry Mother's Maid and apple pieces, but yeah, I don't see any here. You know what's funny? My daughter bought these. She picked them up one day when we were here, and they work fantastic. Love them. I'm actually going to grab one of these packs because somebody said that they do work well. So thank you for your quick review. You use them in your planner. I was just in Detroit not too long ago, and I saw that the Dr. Seuss was a major line that they had in their kids department, so I'm super pumped to see what else they're going to get under the Dr. Seuss line. See, there's a bunch of little things here, which I think is fabulous because I think a lot of us love Dr. Seuss books. These are cute. I have not spotted these before. So cute. Oh, and they're made by that Luna brand again. So I've been finding a lot of the Luna stuff at random Dollar Trees. Different products. The little booties. I know these were valued at a little bit higher price. So here you go. Oh, look at these ones in a little box. Oh my gosh, too cute. Nutter butter cereal's in a funny place. It's in the makeup aisle. Usually you don't see that. Let's see if there's any of their new there's any new little things here, because I know that the other store had a ton of new little, I don't know what you call them, like gadgets for your washroom, I guess, for beauty care gadgets, that's what I'll call them. Like these types of things, under eye massagers. However, somebody did review on the channel that they said it pinched their under eye skin, so be careful with these little tools. Oh, these are darling. They're new, and I'm not sure what little animals. Is this little frog with a little bow tie? These are cute. They look like little monsters. An owl, a fox. I'm nosy now to see what the tip is like.
Obviously, you've never had a problem. I've dealt with banks where they say one thing and do another.
Check this out. It has a very fine needle point, and it works really nice. I hope you enjoyed walking through the store with me. Until next time, everyone, bye for now.